You know that most businesses are still using WhatsApp like a chat app, but the smart ones, they are using it like a complete marketing system. Generating leads, nurturing customers, and even closing sales all automatically. Yes, and in the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how the entire WhatsApp marketing strategy works using one powerful tool named Pabbly Chatflow. But before we move ahead, let me ask you one thing. How many messages can you reply to manually in a day? 20, 50 or maybe 100. But what happens when you start getting 300 plus inquiries daily? You either hire a team or you start losing customers. And this is exactly where automation becomes your biggest advantage. So to build this system, I use Pabbly Chatflow. It is a no-code WhatsApp automation tool that helps you to capture leads, automate conversations, send bulk messages, integrate AI, and even collect payments. But the real power is how all these features work together as a strategy. So let's start by doing the sign-in process. So for coming in this page, you just have to open a new tab and search Pabbly, pabbly.com/Chatflow. After that, you will successfully landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you are new to Pabbly, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then simply click on the sign in option. Next, you will see all Pabbly apps where you have to go in this Pabbly Chatflow, as it is majorly used for creating a WhatsApp chatbot. After clicking on this Access Now button, you will come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place. For adding your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, you just have to click on this plus add WhatsApp number button, and it will provide you two options: name as WhatsApp Connect and manual token connect. If you want a detailed video of how you can connect your WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it for both of these steps. Check the description below for the video link. And on the left hand side, you will see the most important features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity log, WhatsApp payment settings, and get help. At first, let's start with the flows feature. So see, this is the Pabbly Chatflow flow builder page. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. I already created some chatbot and it is one of them. This is the chatbot that I have designed for automobile dealers. This chatbot will work in real time just like this. It will give instant replies to your users 24/7 even while you are sleeping. So yes, I have already created a detailed video of how you can design this flow. You can comment the video and I'll share the video link with all of you guys. So don't forget to comment. And this is how the flows look like. And trust me, the creation of this flow is the simplest thing that I have done. And the best part is that you can design any type of WhatsApp chatbot inside this Pabbly Chatflow flow builder. So this is one of the examples. I am also going to show you some more examples too. See, this is the jewelry bot and this is how the flows look like. So the explanation of this Pabbly Chatflow flow builder is completed. Now I am moving forward to the second feature of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox. See, this is the inbox of Pabbly Chatflow where you can add contacts and specify the AI assistant, WhatsApp chatbots or broadcast messages for your business. In a few minutes I will also walk you through the AI assistant, broadcast and many more features. So here in this inbox settings, you can manage all of your contacts that were added in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Let's say I want to set the AI assistant or the chatbot for this contacts. So for that, you just have to click on this general details and select the status as open. If you want to set up an AI assistant, then you will select this option and you will see the multiple options. You can set it completely based on your own choice. So this is the working of this inbox feature. Next one is the contacts. Here you can add and manage multiple contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus add contacts button. You can enter the contact manually by entering the contact number, as well as you can upload the bulk contact by clicking on this option and upload the CSV file. After that, you just have to click on this plus add contact button and all the contact list of your user is going to be added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. After that, I'm moving forward to the team queues. See, this is the team queues feature. Here you can organize the chats assigned to the team members and keep unassigned conversations separate for easy management. If you want to learn more about this team queues feature, then you just have to click on this learn more link button and explore it more. After that, the templates. Templates are the predefined messages that were sent to the user. It is simply used for those type type of conversation that was started by your side. You can design a template by clicking on this plus add template button, and once you click on this button you will see two options: add template and generate with AI. You can also generate a template by giving an instructions to the AI, as well as create the template by your own imagination. Now I am moving forward to the another interesting feature of Pabbly Chatflow. See, this is the broadcast feature. It is used for sending a bulk messages to multiple users in a single time. You can send the instant messages as well as schedule the best cards for any suitable time you want to. So for creating a new broadcast, you just have to click on this plus add broadcast button, and you will come in this page where you have to select the broadcast type, give the broadcast name, select the contact list. From here on warm, you have to send the messages. This broadcast feature is specially used for sending updates, alerts, notification, or an exclusive offers, as sending each and every user manually is a very time consuming task, so it is very beneficial for those type of businesses. If your broadcast goes live, then it will shows here. The message sending status to the user is appear here. Next one is the scheduled it. If you have scheduled the message, then that status is visible in here. After that, the failed. If the message gets failed, then it will comes here, and the many more you can explore it by your own choice. After that, the flows that we have already understand previously. Next one is the AI assistant. This is also a very interesting feature in Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can train your AI assistant with knowledge base to answer common questions. For creating a new AI assistant, you just have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give the name to the AI assistant. I have already designed an AI assistant by the name of this that put your entire business on autopilot with Pabbly Chatflow AI. See, this is the AI assistant. I have already created a separate video of this AI assistant. If you want the video link, then comment it below. I will share it with you all. While doing the setup of the AI assistant, this is the knowledge base feature. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. With the knowledge base file, AI assistant will give business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge source, AI assistant will give general responses. As I told you right now that I have already created a detailed separate video on the creation of this AI assistant. I will share the video link if you comment it out. If you like this feature till now, then don't forget to purchase the subscription by using my coupon code that are visible in front of your screen, that is MEHYT, and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After that, I am moving forward to the next feature, that is WhatsApp payment. Here you can manage and connect WhatsApp supported payment gateways to collect payments directly with your users within a WhatsApp. And the detailed video of how you can add payment gateway in Pabbly Chatflow is given here. You can watch it out. After the settings, and the last one is get help. If you face any queries, then you can directly communicate with us too. So this is the overview of Pabbly Chatflow tool. You can design this type of automated workflows for your own business, and it will give replies to your users in real time, just like this. Wait, I'll explain you this workflow for more clarity. As here you can see, this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger, and I have selected the trigger event as keyword and enter the keyword as hi. And as soon as a user will send the hi keyword to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically this chatbot gets triggered and send them a welcome message that includes one image, exactly same that I have uploaded here. See, and two quick options, that is available car and talk to expert. See, available car and talk to expert. If user click on this available car button, then the bot will share them this message, that is the multiple images of cars and their name, and one button that is more details. You can simply add button by clicking on this plus add button and give the name to the button here. And the connection plays a major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. So that the user will select the car of about they want more details, then they will click on this more detail button, and with the help of this text button nodes, the specific car details will be shared to the user. After that, these are the contact custom fields, and these are the question nodes. As I told you earlier, I have created a separate video for this flow. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the link with each of you. And not only this, you can also join our Pabbly community. You can share the doubts here and get an instant solution. I have also shared the link of this Pabbly community in the description below. You can check it out, and don't forget to use my coupon code MEHYT while purchasing the Pabbly subscription. This tool is extremely helpful for your business. It will give them the real boost that they really need. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool for your own business too. So this is all about the Pabbly Chatflow. Thank you for watching. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.